Oh, in front of that Volt. That red car that turned. No, no, no. Bad, bad, bad.
In our monthly accounting, almost as if it were an expense. Saving is not tax deductible.
That is a
but I
red
still
turn.
treat it emotionally and mathematically like...
Yeah. It's like, why? Just ran right through that red light. Stop sign. What's the plan here? That's kind of sort of red, maybe. I don't know. That was a red light run. Okay. 1, 2 red light runners for the price of 1. Whoa! Dang!
A few moments later.
And that was the same car. You're only supposed to turn right on red from the right lane. What the fuck's this guy doing? No hazards, no nothing. Let's just stop there. And it does not even attempt to stop.
Stuck paying for that kid. Okay? This is why I am totally against these laws in family court. That's why. Because I experienced what these laws can do
Fucking
in
Subaru.
family court. And then
Wait, what?
With 3 hours sleep and a little alcohol, I have no editing equipment left.
And you're running. You're really badly running. This is why I don't race the light at all. And another red light runner. Here you go. Whoa! Wow. What a douche nozzle. Don't even stop. bunch of savages in this town. Red light runner.
Percentage drops below 900 in 1973. It goes down to 896.
What are you doing in the middle of the street, BMW?
This is substantial, and I'll tell you why. So you've got a 926.
Don't. There's sirens. There's sirens. Oh yeah, sirens are going. I've been noticing that more lately.
Making a claim to omniscience. I'm not making a claim to omnipotence. I'm not making a claim of omnibenevolence right now. I'm just talking about...
Wow.
Right. Good?
Okay, we tried to get you...
What? Fucking Saab driver too. That car's a classic, man.
I think she's just really scared that Matt's gonna find out.
Right. Right, but like threaten you like that though?
Yeah.
Why is that guy stopped for no reason? I saw that. Nissan drivers. He just ran red light. Really? You were in that opposing lane for a long time. Really? What the hell's that guy doing? Really? Red light runner. It's red light runner.
Find a parking spot. $6 well worth it.
These people know they're... See,
Yeah.
this is why I have zero tolerance. Get off the freaking road.
Exactly. There's sidewalks. Sidewalks. On both sides of the street, which is rare in this state.
Yeah,
but
but
yeah.
they're also...
Whoa.
I was trying to originally.
Agreed. Come on. We can do it.
Is agreed.
Pedal all the way to the right.
You got this. Come on.
Yep. Last second merge for that one. Last second exit. I think you cut off a car too. Oh, no, you're not. I can't do that.
Tough. Not only were we friends, but he left a huge hole in my company. He was so broken and so
what
ashamed,
the
but
fuck?
still could. It was really a classy way to handle a sales role. A really sad part of my wonderful car purchase was that don't cut pay when someone is producing. You will cause them to dislike producing. A company cannot attract and keep quality, talented people when you mistreat them.
Yeah.
I just said, my brother.
Waterbury, right?
Sometimes. Why are we stopping here?
Because they're idiots.
Exactly.
They have no idea what they're doing.
What the fuck? That's a left turn lane up there. Fly area. What the hell is that? Well, now you learn how to use your fucking blinker? That's a flat out red light. I can see it from here.
You're going to dictate it, right?
Whoa! Careful! Bad. I saw that up there. Wow, that's late. Suicidal.
Over the line!
What the fuck are you doing? Red light runner. Wait, what was that?
I don't know. I think for the rest of my life,
Red
I'm
light
gonna be
runner.
going, yes!
There's no turn on red. There's yet another one. Yay. Oh, here we go. Library. Oh, what? Yeah, let's go up the wrong side of the road and... bad. Where are you going? Make up your mind.